Assalamu alaikum. This video is about how to use distributive property to multiply multi-digit by one-digit numbers. Let's see. Objectives. You will be able to use distributive property to solve big multiplication. Let's reflect. How much did you know about distributive property? I think we covered previously how to multiply two digits by one-digit number using distributive property. Let's remember. What does distributive property mean? Distributive property is called distributive because you are distributing multiplication over addition. Why do we need distributive property? Distributive property will help us to solve big multiplication. Let's recall. Here I have 10 and 12. How I can use distributive property to multiply this multiplication sentence. I know the timetable of 10, so I will keep it. Then I will break 12 according to its expanded form. 12 will be 10 plus 2. Now I will distribute multiplication over addition. So 10 times 2 and 10 times 10. 10 times 2 will give me 20. And 10 times 10 will give me 100. Now I have two partial products. I will add them. 20 plus 100 equals to 120. So 10 times 12 equals 120. Another example, 5 times 15. I know the timetable of 5, but I need to break 15 according to its expanded form. So it will be 5 times 5 plus 10. Let's see. Distribute 5 times 5 will give me 25 and 5 times 10 will give me 50. Now I have two partial products. I will add them. 25 plus 20 equals to 75. Let's see how we can use distributive property to multiply big numbers. I know the timetable of 9, but I will break 177 according to the expanded form. So 9 times 100 plus 70 plus 7. Now I will distribute multiplication over addition. 9 times 100, 9 times 70, and 9 times 7. What is 9 times 100? It is 900. What is 9 times 70? It is 630. What is 9 times 7? It is 63. Now I have three partial products. I will add them together and the sum will be 1593. So 9 times 177 equals 1593. A last example, 5 times 526. I know the timetable of 5. I will keep it as it is and I will break 526 according to its expanded form to be 500 plus 20 plus 6. Now let's distribute multiplication. 5 times 500, 5 times 20, and 5 times 6. What is 5 times 500? Equals to 2500. And 5 times 20 equals 100. 5 times 6 equals 30. Now I have three partial products. I will add them to find the final product, which is 2630. Do you think you can use distributive property to multiply four digits by one digit number? What do you think?